In this module, we will understand the concepts of negotiation. So the first concept I want to talk about is the BA concept, which is uncover the hidden value of the deal. Let's take a case. Alex, a software sales specialist, was pitching a cutting edge project management software to a manufacturing client. The client was somehow hesitant because he was more concerned about the cost. After a detailed conversation with the client, Alex discovered that client was struggling with project delays and miscommunications. So instead of pushing more features, Alex honed in how this software can help the customer using some real-time collaboration tools, which will obviously help the client with the project timelines and improve his communication challenge. The client, who was initially fixated on the price, began to recognize the kind of value Alex was offering. So you can understand by this example that when you uncover the hidden value of any project, then you're not only working on the cost, but you are positioning your solution as something which will help customer improve his challenges. In this specific case, the deal obviously was closed with the client realizing what are the comprehensive benefits and overall cost savings beyond the initial price point. And it was the thing that is which uncovered the hidden value of the software. So whenever you're working in any kind of negotiation, you should have something inside your pocket, which I talk about inside your pocket. This is kind of an unhidden value which you can always use as an ace point to convince the customer and make that deal close. The second concept in negotiation is reciprocal concessions. Let's talk about some healthcare technology negotiation. A sales representative named Aisha was facing resistance from a hospital in Japan regarding the implementation costs of a new patient management system. Sensing the tension, Aisha offered some additional training sessions at no extra charge. This act of goodwill showed her commitment to the hospital's success. In return, the hospital also reciprocated by agreeing to a more favorable payment structure. So what is happening here is that once you give in something, obviously your customer is also bound to give back something to you. Whenever working negotiation, not always think of taking something out of the negotiation. Work on win-win situation where you are giving in something and be sure you will also get a reciprocatory response from the customer. And this concept is called as a reciprocal concession. Let's now discuss the concept 3, which is creating options for mutual gain. James, a sales manager in a renewable energy sector, found himself in negotiation with a government agency that was very, very stringent on the budget. Rather than only working on price, Carlos gave some alternative options like extended warranty periods and community outreach programs. This approach not only addressed the client's financial concerns, but also aligned their social responsibility goals. So this negotiation is a perfect example how you can use a custom tailored program in both financial and helping meet customer corporate responsibility objectives. The fourth concept is building trust through transparency. I think this is very important concept. So let's understand through example, Hana, a sales executive for a cybersecurity firm, was dealing with a finance company based out of United States. The client had concerns about data security and the effectiveness of the cybersecurity solution. Instead of dismissing the concerns, Hana proactively shared third-party security audits, even facilitated conversations with existing clients in the finance industry. So, how that thing will work out? You're not dismissing the concerns, but you are giving them some kind of proofs. You are helping that customer may talk to some other customer such that they can get a first level of feedback from an client from the similar industry. Transparency helps you build trust. And obviously, this deal came to Hana. The concept 5, I think it's one of the outline concept of all the concepts, which is the timing and patience. Xavier, an agriculture equipment salesperson, was negotiating with a farmer in Australia who urgently needed some machines for upcoming planting season. Initially, he was pushing it for the quick deal, but he realized that farmer was feeling pressured and hesitant. He understood the importance of timing. He took a step back and offered a more flexible delivery schedule that aligned with the farmer's needs. So, this patient approach allowed the farmer to feel that he is in control of the decision making process. There's no excess pressure on him to close that deal. So, if you have timing and patience in negotiation process, it becomes a win-win situation for both the buyer as well as the seller.